Hi, I'm Dave from D-Scale Works. I've been wanting to lighten up my display cabinet with some custom lighting, not just for looks, but to help the details on my builds stand out more. If you're considering something similar, I hope this gives you some useful ideas. I'm using two 5-meter rolls, 12-volt 50/50 LED strips, LED strip light connectors, wire connector clips, cable, scissors, cable stripper, two 12 volts 5 amps adapters, and DC female connector. So here's the plan. Cut the strip into 18 pieces, each with 27 LEDs. That is my segment's length. Cut along the cut line closest to the measured LED length. Clip one end to the LED strip connector. Cut the cable according to the height of each segment. Mine was 25 centimeters each. Strip the cable ends and connect them back together. Then connect it to the clip connector. The other end of the connector goes to the LED. Just keep doing the same for the rest of the segments. Installation begins. Sticking the LED strip to the glass segment, I need to shorten the LED strip clip cables. I tried to keep things neat and reliable, not super stealthy though. The cables and the joint clips are still visible, but I preferred this way than soldering the joints so I can replace each segment easily if the LED is broken or malfunction. Testing the connections. Here are the finished works. Now I'm filling the cabinet with my built models. Now I can enjoy my display with good lighting. I didn't put a diffusion sleeve to soften the LED lights so I can see the reflections of the lined up lights, like when you go to a car show. If you're spending hours on builds, it might be worth spending a few more to help them shine. Let me know what you think, and feel free to subscribe if you'd like to follow along with more of my projects. Thanks for watching.